In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a private match here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 so you can play against friends or bots. This is super simple to do. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. From the main menu, what you're going to want to do is get into multiplayer and then select this find a match down in the bottom left corner. And from here, scroll all the way down and you're going to see a private match option here. Select it and then hit create a private match. And this is going to load your custom lobby where you could change anything that you want. Up at the top, you're going to see your game mode section. You can open this up and choose whatever game mode you want to go ahead and play. Right below that, you're going to see your maps. So go ahead and put whatever map you want to go ahead and play. Let's just say I want to play Toshin for the sake of this video. You're going to see your rules right below that. Adjust those accordingly to be whatever you like. There's a lot of rules in here. You can even adjust your team and your gameplay settings here as well. And then over on this left-hand sidebar over here where it says your name, you can go ahead and hit these little team options to add yourself bots. Now you can add up to 11 bots total, and then you could change your difficulty here as well, anywhere between casual to veteran. Hit confirm when you're done, and you're going to see them get added just like so. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and hit start match up in the very top. And the game's going to load and you'll be good to go. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.